बाइकॉट ऐसे प्रोग्राम को मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरा बाइकआउट करता हूं और आप लोगों को भी कहता हूं इनको अनफॉलो करो, इन लोगों की वीडियो मत देखो।
और अगर किसी को कहीं बुरा लगा है तो मैंने ऊपर एक फीडबैक फॉर्म रखा है, जो भी आपको लगा बुरा आप उस पे लिख देना और उस फॉर्म को फोल्ड कर।
Really obscene. But the comments passed in the show really derogatory, and that to such an extent that they led to obscenity and intervention of the Supreme Court itself. Was the show bad on moral grounds, or is it just a hype for views? Let's leave it all apart for now and see what does the law say. So, can a comedy show on YouTube get you into legal trouble? Let's break it down. In India, comedy shows must follow two major rule books. First one is the Indian law and second one is the YouTube policy. Let's look at the law of the land. So the Indian law disregards copyright infringement. Secondly, it disregards jokes that hurt religious sentiments or promote enmity. Any joke that is defamatory, obscene or spreads misinformation that could land you into trouble under the cyber laws, which even the judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, under their remarks that they made yesterday in the court, they mentioned that such remarks which were passed in the show were not justified and they did book for obscenity. Now let's talk about the YouTube's rule book, under which the YouTube hate speech policy comes into action. So, jokes promoting hate against a group or individual or those amounting to harassment and bullying are not permitted under this policy. But in this case, YouTube never took down any such video, be it the current one, which raised moral concerns in India up to such an extent that even the Honorable Supreme Court had to intervene. Nor did any of the previous videos was taken down. So basically we can say that the reality is that all the videos were removed by the creator himself. So does that give an impression that as per the YouTube guidelines, passing such remarks and statements isn't obscene under the eyes and it does not lead to any sort of obscenity? What do you say? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Has this ever happened before? Absolutely yes. So the question is, can you run a comedy show on YouTube in India? The answer is yes, but you need to stay within the legal limits. No defamation, religious hate or copyright violations. And you must follow the YouTube policies, which is still questionable that a thing which is not considered obscene as per the YouTube guidelines in any other abroad country, shall it be treated with the same grounds in India as well? And just as a last remark, there are many more important issues in India to be concerned upon. The RG Kar Hospital case of Kolkata, the Atul Subhash case and many more. And a focus upon them is better than creating such controversies. Want more legal insights? Follow the Law Snacks for more such legal insights. And what are your suggestions and your take upon this case being run in the Honorable Supreme Court of India? Do drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much.